this is the road going to Bahrain. We are now taking the Land Cruiser Road of the sea. Oh, it's not in the sea. It's underground passage. Oh yeah, you seen that?
Bahrain, rain. Sada, no have a traffic jam today. See, go to Bahrain, rain. We will go this way, Bahrain, huh? We will not enter this.
Here going, huh?
Okay.
No, we will enter the other.
Into the other toll gate, pare. This is for the official use only.
Lagi ka pare, swaya. Alatul.
Okay.
Maybe Prakas here. Prakas!
Prakas is there. That is their toll gate.
Prakas road, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, ba? Prakas.
Prakas Road is this one.
Prakas and me.
Today only Prakas?
No,
Saan siya dumaan po?
until Jimmy comes.
Then we go here.
Yeah.
No,
No, here.
No, here. No, here. Alatol. Here.
Just little bag, huh? Here.
Okay.
Pare, see your backside, ha? Maybe you will hit the car, ha, when we are going there. Eto po.
Yung bridge na yan?
Yeah, this is
Almora, yeah?
the road.
Aywa.
This is the road going to
See
Bahrain.
the trees.
Why stop? Why stop? Go, Alatul.
He cannot pass.
Kaliwali this one.
Kaliwali this one.
One time,
Okay, let us mark that one.
push me.
That bridge going to Bahrain.
Brendan coming here.
Yeah.
Passport.
Passport of what?
Passport.
Passport. Yeah.
Kingdom of Bahrain.
Ah, ito daw, dagat na pala yun.
Yeah.
Oo.
So,
naman yung Bahrain. Pero Middle Island.
Doon dadaan para sa tulay na yun?
Oo, mahaba yan.
Yon Tulay. That's the bridge. That's the bridge over Bikram.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we're now going to the middle island of Bahrain. Although it's not.
Ang ganda yun pala mga ano.
See? See?
Ano maganda dyan? Puta yung desierto.
Siya sa dagat.
Siyerto, yung magaganda nila.
Wala nagkwento sa inyo na may dagat dito, ano? Puro desierto sinasabi, ano? Puro init, wala nagkwento sa inyo malamig.
They said that Saudi Arabia is so hot. But when I reach here, Saudi Arabia is so cold. How come it goes like this?
Malamang,
yeah.
sa ano tayo pumunta? Sa SWCC.
That's their boat yacht. That's their camping area over there.
Chicken falls area.
Yeah.
Too much chicken area.
Too much chicken area.
Yes.
That place is the place that where they put chicken, the store chicken.
Doon sana tayo dumaan eh.
Yeah, this is a good house, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Para dire-diretso yan, i-stop mo lang.
Ayan, oh.
Oh,
Ang bahay, oh.
This is my house.
this is your house?
Yes.
Okay, that's Bikram's house. Okay.
Oh.
It's a very good house. Mia.
Shut up, all for